Have you ever wondered what it's truly like to work at a financial institution, beyond the gleaming lobbies and professional smiles? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, what is the salary like at BluPeak Credit Union? It's a question many ponder when considering a career in the financial sector, and today, we're diving deep to uncover the realities of compensation at BluPeak Credit Union. We're going to pull back the curtain on salary expectations, explore the factors that influence pay, and give you a comprehensive overview of what you can anticipate if you're looking to join the BluPeak team. Understanding salary isn't just about the numbers, it's about the full compensation package, the benefits, the work environment, and the opportunities for growth. All of these contribute to the overall value of a position, and at BluPeak Credit Union, there's a lot to consider. First, let's set the stage. BluPeak Credit Union is a financial cooperative, meaning it's owned by its members, not by shareholders. This fundamental difference often translates to a unique approach to employee relations and benefits. Unlike traditional banks that prioritize maximizing profits for investors, credit unions tend to focus on member well-being and, by extension, employee satisfaction. Now, let's talk numbers. It's crucial to understand that specific salary figures can vary significantly based on several key factors. These include the specific role, your level of experience, your educational background, and even the geographic location of the position. For instance, a loan officer in a high cost of living area might naturally earn more than a similar role in a less expensive region. Likewise, someone with 5 years of experience in a specialized field will likely command a higher salary than an entry-level professional. Let's break down some common roles you might find at BluPeak Credit Union and explore typical salary ranges, drawing on industry averages and available data. While BluPeak doesn't publicly disclose all its salary ranges, we can infer a lot from broader credit union industry trends and specific job postings that occasionally reveal pay scales. One of the most visible roles in any financial institution is the teller or member experience specialist. These are the frontline employees who interact directly with members, processing transactions, answering questions, and providing essential customer service. For these positions, you can generally expect an hourly wage. Industry data suggests that a credit union teller in the United States earns an average hourly pay of around $17 to $33 per hour. Entry-level positions might start closer to the lower end, while those with more experience or specialized responsibilities, such as a member experience lead, could see higher rates, perhaps in the range of $31 to $33 per hour, as indicated in some job postings. This translates to an annual salary ranging roughly from $35,000 to $68,000, depending on hours worked and specific responsibilities. Keep in mind that location can significantly impact this. For instance, some reports show tellers in higher cost areas like Berkeley, California, earning closer to $40 to $44 per hour. Moving up the ladder, we encounter roles like loan officers. These professionals guide members through the loan application process, assess creditworthiness, and help secure financing for various needs, from auto loans to mortgages. The compensation for a loan officer can be more complex, often including a base salary plus commission or incentives based on loan origination volume. Industry averages for loan officers in credit unions typically range from $47,000 to $71,000 annually. However, top performers or those specializing in commercial lending might see significantly higher total compensation, potentially exceeding $100,000. Especially if commissions are a substantial part of their pay structure. BluPeak has also listed positions like loan servicing lead with an hourly range of $28 to $32, indicating that roles within the lending department can vary in their pay structure and responsibility levels. Then there are the crucial support functions, such as marketing specialists. In today's digital world, a strong marketing presence is vital for any financial institution. A digital marketing specialist at BluPeak Credit Union, for example, might focus on optimizing online campaigns, increasing brand awareness, and enhancing member engagement. Job postings for a digital marketing specialist at BluPeak have shown an hourly range of $24 to $30. Annually, this could translate to a salary between approximately $50,000 and $62,000. For more senior marketing roles or those with specialized skills, the salary could be higher. Information technology, or IT specialists, are indispensable in ensuring the smooth and secure operation of a credit union's digital infrastructure. These roles are often in high demand and typically command competitive salaries. While specific BluPeak IT salary data isn't widely published, general industry data for IT specialists at credit unions shows an average annual salary of around $68,000, potentially ranging from $62,000 to $74,000 or more, depending on the specialization, e.g., network engineering, cybersecurity, data analysis. BluPeak has posted for a network engineer with a salary range of $110,000 to $145,000, suggesting that specialized IT roles at BluPeak are indeed well compensated and competitive within the market. Beyond these specific roles, BluPeak Credit Union also employs individuals in various other departments, including human resources, finance, operations, and management. Salaries for these positions will naturally scale with experience and responsibility. For example, a branch manager at a credit union typically earns between $48,000 and $83,000 annually, with an average around $63,000. Management roles, of course, increase significantly, with executive positions commanding six-figure salaries. While specific figures for BluPeak's HR or top management are not readily available, it's safe to assume they offer compensation packages competitive with the industry to attract and retain top-tier talent for these critical leadership and support roles. Now, let's move beyond the base salary and consider the benefits package, which often forms a significant part of the overall compensation at BluPeak Credit Union. BluPeak highlights a comprehensive wellness program designed to support employees' physical, emotional, work life, and financial well-being. This commitment to employee wellness is a strong indicator of a supportive work environment. Key benefits often include paid time off, PTO, health and wellness, retirement benefits, personal and professional growth, work-life balance, product discounts, diversity, equity, and inclusion. It's also worth noting the overall work culture at BluPeak. They state, BluPeak is a great place to work, and it shows. They emphasize feeling at home, embracing diverse perspectives, engaging in challenge and growth, and bringing one's whole self to work. These cultural aspects, while intangible in terms of direct salary, are incredibly important for long-term job satisfaction and career fulfillment. A supportive and engaging work environment can often outweigh a slightly higher salary elsewhere, making BluPeak's overall package more attractive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.